Designing on a budget. Unveiling the secret of design on a dime. Hello, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, design on a dime. This idiom is not just about design, but it also reflects an important aspect of English, the use of metaphorical language. If you're ready to expand your English vocabulary and cultural understanding, let's dive in. Design on a dime is an idiom that means creating something stylish or attractive without spending a lot of money. This phrase can be broken down into two parts. 1. Design. This refers to the process of planning and creating something, often related to interior decorating, fashion, or art. 2. On a dime. This part of the phrase is an American idiom on its own, meaning with very little money. The word dime refers to a 10-cent coin in the United States, symbolizing a small amount. The phrase, design on a dime, likely originated from the United States and is commonly used in contexts where budget-friendly creativity is appreciated. It's often heard in interior design shows, fashion blogs, DIY, do-it-yourself, communities. Understanding this phrase can help you appreciate discussions where budget-conscious creativity is valued. Let's look at some examples to see how design on a dime is used in everyday English. 1. With a limited budget, Jenna managed to design her apartment on a dime, making it look chic and cozy. 2. This blog provides tips on how to design on a dime, offering affordable ways to revamp your wardrobe. These examples show the phrase used in practical, real-life situations. The phrase also reflects a cultural aspect, the appreciation for cost-effective creativity and resourcefulness. In many English-speaking societies, there's a great admiration for the ability to do more with less, which this phrase captures perfectly. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, design on a dime, and its usage in English. Remember, learning idioms like this not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the cultural nuances of the language. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.